Alright, so once again, I will start my daily session in Nasdaq from now on. Don't know how long, but let's see. So, starting in Nasdaq, we are pretty much bullish, and obviously, it is looking very good for bullishness since we have shifted the structure in this area in daily. We are free to move bullish, and now obviously there might be 1 or 2 days for like having a pullback. So this is the final target in daily. So daily overall is bullish, and by the way, I would like to mark this one out. So let me mark this one first. We do have an inverted fair value gap in this area. And now if I take a look at the H4, what do we have in H4? Okay, well, let me trading session, not really. Okay, so in H4 we do have, this is the inverted fair value gap from daily. We are currently in H4. I would say it just structure is just bullish, nothing else for now. And if I have to mark any area, then I would like to say not this one, but this fair value gap, which is far away, not close to be honest. Price might only tap into this one if we are going to be bearish or something else. And then comes the H1, which is also looking pretty bullish cleanly, like this shift of the structure. We have this order block here, so that's the thing. We do have this order block from which we are likely to move bullish. But if you take a look at the current price action, we do have this sweep and then a market structure shift from which we are currently trying to push bearish. So only H1, I mean the direction wise daily and H4 is bullish, but when it comes to H1 is saying something else. I mean H1 is suggesting to be bearish today. And if I take a look at the US 500, then that would be understandable whether it is a like paper stone. Okay, alright, now you can see the divergent in both of them. So this high come from 10 p.m. yesterday, and this one is 6 p.m. today. And let's see, same thing, 10 p.m. yesterday and 6 p.m. today. I don't know, the US 100 is much more bullish than S&P 500, but overall structure is bullish and everything. Daily is also bullish in US 500 as well. So since everything is bullish, no need for thinking anything else. Then let's take a look at the M15. Here's how M15 is looking. It's still so much time left for this session to open. So this one is, let me mark this one to be H1 market structure shift. H1 MSS, it was at right. Okay, and so this one is liquidity that has been taken before the session open. And then what do we have with market structure shift? We have a fair value gap. So there is a multiple reason for the price to be bearish. I mean, couple of reasons for price to be bearish and multiple reasons for price to move bullish. And after that, these are the equal low, likely to tap. I don't know, but still we'll see. Then comes the M5, looking good in M5 as well. We have a couple of zone sitting on our way. So this one was the H1 zone. So we have this order block and another order block. So let's see. It would be much better if I play safe in this one. Overall direction wise bullish, but internal structure saying something else. But let's see how this one turn out.